Good morning, everybody. Welcome to my channel, Pre-Market Update. We'll do a quick review today. Please hit the like button, thumbs up button before you go forward. That will be really great and helpful for my channel. Okay, so this is SPX cycle chart, and we're expecting this cycle to basically have some more selling pressure until next week, 25th of April, where the cycle low is coming. So far, it's working out very good. We got cycle low here, cycle low here. Now we're going towards another cycle low, all right, and then we're going to have a bounce, all right. So from early end of April to early May, we're going to have bounce, and then major cycle low is going to be forming here end of May, and then we're going to have a massive bull rally. For now, looking for still chopping around to lower prices for the week, and then we're going to get a massive bounce, all right. That's what my expectation is. Now, one thing to note, just to show you on this chart, which is a day trading chart. So red lines are sell lines, green lines are buy lines. This is only for day trading for the guys who are new. So we were near extreme sell zone, and we got a so green is where we buy, red is where we sell. So we touched buy zone this morning around 2 a.m. and now we're in the neutral zone. All right. So we are here. So if we go below 54.70, 50.74 buy, and if you go above 51.46 you can sell. So I think I'm expecting a very choppy market for another week or so. You can see every time we go towards red, we sell off. We touch red, we sell off to green. We get bought by the buyers after that. So touch red, sell off, go touch green, go to red. So it's like bouncing around. All right. So now we are again, we touch green, maybe we're going towards red. Okay, so that's what I think is going to happen. So let me put MES chart side by side. So we'll look at levels for today. Left side is levels for today, and green's right side is swing trading chart, daily chart. You can see we're below all moving averages, and this is 50 EMA, 50 SMA trying to bounce. So we could get a dead cat bounce before we go down. So if we get a bounce, we're gonna have resistance around 5150 area. So keep that in mind. All right. So let's go to Nasdaq. So Nasdaq, same story. We had a bounce from green line at 2 a.m. Resistance is gonna be above 180, 100, 18,074 and up. That's where also 50 SMA and green line, which is 10 moving average, is coming as well. All right. So that's the area. Tesla, massive bad news still, just keep going. Is this a reversal candle on daily chart? I don't know, we'll see, but there are multiple gaps. We had a gap down, so there's a gap. 161 is the first target, gap fill. Maybe they will sell off after that, or if they keep going higher, the other target is 170. There are multiple gaps. All these yellow lines are gaps to fill. Lot of upside potential on Tesla. UNH after earnings, massive bounce. Now another gap created here, gap up. Now there are other two gaps, so I don't know if they're going to fill this gap first or they're going to keep going higher to fill this first gap 488, other gap 512, and then last gap is 538. We'll see. Short term, we are in a sell zone. And let's look at commodities. Gold. Gold is very bullish. Okay, in the short term, in the neutral zone. Silver is also in the neutral zone. Crude oil is finding support on this white line, which is 20 moving average, and also going towards a buy zone as well. So I think crude oil can bounce from here. So you should be looking to buy crude oil. Natural gas, all of a sudden a bounce. Sell zone is above 1.93. Buy zone is below 1.84, right now in the middle. And dollar, let's see, dollar massive bounce in the resistance area. You can see daily chart is showing in a resistance area, and on the day trading chart in the neutral zone here. All right, Bitcoin is down 2%, and just touching the buy zone as we're talking. 62,000 is the buy zone, below all moving averages. And let's see this chart, BTC. Not this one, this BTC futures. Now it's holding right on this support. Okay, it's right on this 50 EMA, 50 SMA, yellow and red line. If this thing breaks, next target is going to be around 47,890 in my opinion. So that's the next cap fill. And on Ethereum, let me show you Ethereum live chart first. Is also touching the buy zone as we speak, 3,000. And if I look at Ethereum CME futures, this gap is filled, so I have to delete this. Next target is 2808. I think we're going towards that. And if I zoom out further, there are a lot of targets here. You can see all these green lines are target. You can pause it and then you can take a look at all the targets later on. All right. Okay, so that's on Bitcoin, and also still green line is below red line. Everywhere it's a selling pressure. Green line below red line. Bitcoin also green line below red line. So until that flips, I don't see any bullish news coming very soon. Hang Seng Index touching buy zones, still bouncing. So buy below 16166. This is China. And let's keep moving. Gold miners, GDX. Let's look at daily chart. Came to the buy zone yesterday. Pre-market in the neutral zone, looked to buy below 32.59. And let's look at major FANG stocks. Apple was down pre-market, touched the buy zone yesterday. You can see touching buy zone here, and still near buy zone. Okay, this is where you should be looking to buy. You can see it broke out, came back, and this is a nice support area here around 160s. All right, so you should be not too bearish here. Google, uh, let's see, Google chart right now near buy zone. Still look to buy below 154.76. Netflix is bouncing in the neutral zone, so nothing to do here for me. Amazon also in the neutral zone. Meta, Facebook. Let's see, Facebook touching the buy zone. Yesterday touched it. Look to buy below 495.7. Microsoft is also holding support. So you can see most of these are on support and near buy zone. So I think these can bounce. So that will help S&P 500 Nasdaq to bounce, in my opinion. This is Snowflakes in the buy zone, NVIDIA in the neutral zone, and then AVGO. AVGO is also in the neutral zone. All right, so let's just quickly wrap up with VIX. Let's see where VIX is. Down to 2.77%, making higher highs. Next target is 21. If we get sell-off, it's going to touch 21. That will be the end of VIX, and then we'll get bull market. Maybe this will happen in May. For now, if market starts to go down, we will crush, and then this is a gap here. But I think second analysis is telling it's not going to sell off so fast. It can just a little bit of down and then bounce again, because markets don't go straight down or straight up. Eventually, even right now in SPX chart, we have this selling pressure, but we can bounce and sell. Okay, we can have a hope of for the bulls and then sell off. Okay, market don't just straight go down. So let's see if that happens. All right, guys, that's it for today. Bye.